What's up, guys? Small fry here. Well, small fry is here. Yeah, small fry isn't looking well day 5 because his chirping's going a little low. It's not very well, and but she has taken care of him. Last night when we were coming back from seeing Jurassic World: The Fallen Kingdom for a second time. Yes, we have seen that movie for a second time. But this time it was in Gold Lounge. So, lucky me. But, yeah. We'll come back and Mumbird was here. I think Mumbird's just trying to find some meals for... Hey, little fella. I'm not actually touching it. If I did touch it, Mumma wouldn't love it anymore. We would take it in. So, yeah. We're getting less colour in the beak. Because the mama bird does have a black beak. I've seen her up close, just wasn't able to film it. Yeah, so here, part 5, guys. I know I said make another video, yesterday. I wasn't able to because of, going to the Gold Lounge. But, yeah, here's your small fry. He's got fur all over the body now. Oh, there's Mama. See it? I'm just going to back up a bit. So there's Mama Bird. Does she go into the nest? I don't know if you can still see it from here. I can see it clearly. Oh, yeah, there she goes. It's up there now. I don't know if you guys do. There she goes. So not ready to feed small fry yet. Bye, small fry.